Why do I watch the birds when I know they're just taunting, flitting wherever they please while I'm just standing still? I know I'll never fly, but somehow it's haunting. If I study their grace and ease, maybe someday I will. Why do I watch the birds fly and dance along when the clouds cry, and let the diamond-studded sky illuminate the midnight hues? Oh, birds have taught me many a song, and clouds to cry when life goes wrong, and how to sing away these blues. The birds taught me to sing away these blues. Why do I watch TV when I ought to be sleeping? Why do I sleep so late when it's time to get up? Why do I laugh at movies when everyone's weeping? Why do I drink my bourbon from this old coffee cup? Why do I watch the stars when they're not even moving, twinkling their infinite wisdom that I can't comprehend? Why do I watch the clouds when they only bring darkness? Let the storm subside and there's light at the end. Maybe I watch the birds flying so I can rhyme when I feel like crying, and sing like a robin sighing. The blues can be so satisfying. That's why I watch the birds, so I can find the words, and maybe I